Here's how you use Audacity to create your voice narration. First, go down to the Start menu and either find Audacity in it or search for it. Click OK and maximize your screen. From here, here's how you record. Pretty easy. You press record right here, and as you can see, what I am saying shows up in Audacity. Press stop to stop it. If you don't like what you hear back when you press play, just click this X right here to be able to delete it. Here's what happens a lot though when students are recording voice narration. A couple of problems. First problem is this: they start to record and leave a bunch of silence at the very beginning. You don't want to have a lot of silence at the beginning or a lot of silence at the end of your voiceovers. So here's how you get rid of it if you end up having a lot of silence at the beginning before you start speaking. Using the highlighting tool or the selection tool that's right here, select all of the silence and then use the scissors to get rid of it. And now when you play, all that silence will be gone. Same thing with the end. You don't want to have a lot of silence at the end of your narration either. It just messes up your Prezi presentation. This makes it a lot more clean. If you also find that when you record your voiceovers that they're very quiet, you can change the volume through the plus and the minus over here. The minus will make it quieter, the plus will make it louder. The last thing that there are problems with when students are recording voice narration is they get too close to the microphone. So when they say words that begin with P, it puffs out a lot of air into the microphone, and so it blows it out. So you want to make sure that you stay not super far away from the microphone, but far enough away that you're not blowing out the sound. Once you're done and you're happy with your narration, you're going to go to File, Export. Do not go to Save Project or anything like that. You're going to go to Export. Okay, it's going to save it as a WAV file. Save it in your team leader's H drive, in their health projects folder. I recommend that you have a narration folder, and then title it whatever slide number it's going to go on. So I'm going to say this is going to be slide 4, and click Save. Click OK. And there you go. Double check and make sure that it's in your H drive, but it should be fine. And that's how you do voiceovers.